Here we go. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and create the little toy that I was telling you about. So I'm going to go to create document. I'm going to call that document toy. Now, inside of this document, inside of this toy, we're going to have a bunch of different part files. So let me create the first part, which I'm going to be sketching. I'm going to go ahead and do it on the front view. So I'm going to right click and select view normal 2. Select the sketch. I'm gonna have the front view be the sketch plane, which is already there ready to go for me. And the first thing I want to do is just make a simple rectangle. So I'm gonna make rectangle corner to corner. Doesn't really matter where you drop it right now because we can actually dimension it later on. If I click on the dimension tool, the top side of this rectangle, I'm gonna make that to be 4 inches. And the left side of this rectangle, I'm gonna make that to be 2 inches. And there we go. So there is my first little piece, my first little part. I'm going to go ahead and finish the sketch. And then finally, I'm going to extrude this and select that face so I can extrude it. Let me see. Let me show you guys the isometric view. And the amount that I'm going to extrude is going to be 0.5 inches. Okay, so there we go. First piece is already done. Now let me create a second piece. So on the bottom left-hand corner, I'm going to select the little plus sign again. I'm going to create another part. So create part studio. I'm going to make an additional part. Same exact thing. I'm going to select my front view and I'm going to draw on it. So select view normal 2. I'm going to sketch on that front view, which looks like it's already did it for me. And I'm going to make another rectangle. So same thing that I did last time. So it's going to be another rectangle starting at the origin. You can worry about the dimensions later. So I'm going to make the top one again be 4 inches. I'm going to make the left side again be 2 inches. Oops, I don't think I liked it. There we go. And the only thing that I'm going to make different in this case is I'm going to make a little hole in the middle, if you will. So I'm going to make a circle with a hole in the middle, and I'm going to make that diameter 1 inch. So I'm going to change the diameter of that to just be exactly 1 inch. And now I have a hole in the middle. I'm not done yet though, because I want to put that hole exactly on the center. So the next thing I'm going to dimension is from the center of the circle to the edge. I'm going to make that, oh wait, let me try that again. From the center of the circle to the edge, I'm going to make that be exactly 2, right? Half of 4, which is 2 inches. And then from the center of the circle to the top, I'm going to make that, oh, I don't think it liked it. Let me try it again. From the center of the circle to the top, there we go. I'm going to make that be half of 2, which is 1 inch. Now, since I did half of 4 and half of 2, that hole will be now exactly in the middle. I'm going to finish my sketch, and I'm going to extrude it, and I'm only going to extrude the part that's on the outside, and I'm going to make that again half an inch or 0.5 inches. Select OK. I'm going to show you the isometric view so you guys can see. Now we have this shape, right? So this piece. The final piece that we're going to make is the easy one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the little plus sign, create part studio, and then what we're going to make is we're going to make a peg. Okay, so anywhere you like, I like putting it on the front, but it doesn't really matter where you put it. I'm going to create a sketch on that front view. All we're really going to do is create a circle and extrude it. So this is going to be a really easy one. So that circle will be diameter of 1. So I'm going to be dimension this to be 1 inch exactly. Finish that, and then I'm going to extrude that, and the amount that I'm going to extrude it outwards will actually be 4 inches. So this is going to be sticking out quite a bit. This is going to be a peg that is sticking out of your toy. Okay, so there we go. We have 3 different pieces for our toy, and now the next step is we're going to have to assemble this toy within Onshape. Okay, so I'm going to finish this video, and then I'm going to make the other one in part 2 because I only have a 5-minute limit. All right. Notice that anytime you guys have, oh wait,